on Tuesday, May 21st. It is the kickoff of DEMOFEST. We are kicking off DEMOFEST 2024, and if you are interested, you can come and see me, Mike McDowell. I will be speaking at 4 p.m. on day one of DEMOFEST, May 21st. It's called Demotainment, Delivering a Demo They'll Remember. It's going to be a great session. I'm going to give you all kinds of tips about how to make that demo more interesting, exciting, and most of all, memorable, so you can close that deal. But don't worry, if you're not in sales, you're not in pre-sales, you're not a solutions consultant, this is going to be super valuable because we all give talks all the time. And I'm going to give you tips to be more interesting, more exciting, to keep your audience engaged longer. If that's something you're interested in, don't forget to register. My personalized registration link is in the description below. Click that link, get registered, and hopefully I will see you out there in the audience of my session on May 21st.